The Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-b is a Russian heavy stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, currently under development. It is being developed by the Russian company Sukhoi, a subsidiary of the United Aircraft Corporation. The S-70 Okhotnik-b is expected to have a range of more than 6,000 kilometers and be capable of carrying a variety of weapons, including air-to-surface missiles and bombs. The UCAVs are likely to be used for reconnaissance missions and to support Russian military operations. The development of the S-70 Okhotnik-b is part of Russia's efforts to modernize its military capabilities and build on its drone technology. The UCAV is expected to have advanced stealth capabilities, which will allow it to evade enemy radar and operate in hostile environments. It should be noted that information about the S-70 Okhotnik-b is limited, as the Russian government is silent about the details of the project. The Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-b is a stealth drone developed by the Russian aircraft manufacturer Sukhoi. It is designed for reconnaissance and attack missions and is equipped with advanced sensors and weapon systems. Okhotnik-b is capable of flying long distances and can perform various tasks without risking the lives of human pilots. The drone's stealth capabilities, combined with its advanced technology, make it a formidable weapon in the Russian military's arsenal. However, the exact specifications and capabilities of the S-70 Okhotnik-b are still unknown, as the Russian government has not released much information about the drone to the public. It is important to note that military drones, such as the S-70 Okhotnik-b, raise ethical and legal issues regarding the use of unmanned weapons in conflict and their potential consequences for civilians. As the deployment of military drones becomes more widespread, discussions about the ethical and legal implications of their use should continue.